Naomi Home presents the Katie Contemporary Recliner Loveseat Assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. This Recliner Loveseat comes as shown with 2 cup holders and a storage compartment for storing your movie night essentials. To get started, connect the left and right armrest onto the chair base. Now, connect the left and right backrest onto the chair base. Attach onto the chair base. Gently slide the cushioned centerpiece into the center base. Attach onto the chair base. Finally, slide the left and right corner side pieces onto the backrest. To recline, simply pull the lever to access the leg rest, then push back with your torso to access the back reclining features. And there you have it, your Katie Contemporary Recliner Loveseat is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.